In today's world, we all face pressures from various directions. Work demands our attention, family expects support, and social circles want us to be active. For many men, it's a daily struggle to balance these demands without feeling overwhelmed. But what if there was a tool that could help you navigate these challenges with more ease and effectiveness? Enter mindfulness. In this video, we will delve into what mindfulness is, why it is essential for modern men, and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine to lead a more balanced and focused life. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the power of mindfulness. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content why mindfulness matters today. Picture this. You're juggling multiple responsibilities, meeting deadlines, caring for loved ones, and trying to maintain a social life. The constant pressure can be overwhelming, leaving you feeling anxious and burnt out. In this context, mindfulness emerges as a beacon of calm amidst the storm. But what exactly is mindfulness? At its core, mindfulness is the practice of bringing your attention to the present moment without judgment. It's about observing your thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations without getting carried away by them. Contrary to popular belief, mindfulness is not about emptying your mind or achieving a state of nothingness. Instead, it's about becoming more aware of the constant stream of thoughts that flow through our minds. Mindfulness has been practiced for centuries, but its relevance in today's fast-paced world is undeniable. We are bombarded with distractions, be it from social media, news, or an ever-growing to-do list. These distractions often pull our attention away from the present moment, causing us to feel stressed, overwhelmed, and disconnected. That's where mindfulness comes into play. By grounding us in the present, it allows us to fully engage with our surroundings and appreciate the richness of each experience. Moreover, mindfulness is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It can be tailored to fit your individual needs and preferences. Whether you prefer guided meditations, nature walks, or simply taking quiet moments throughout the day, there are various ways to incorporate mindfulness into your routine. The key is to find what works best for you and commit to practicing it consistently. In the next section, we will explore the science behind mindfulness and how it can benefit men specifically. Stay tuned to learn about the positive impact mindfulness can have on your mental and physical well-being. 8. The science of mindfulness for men. The human brain is a complex and fascinating organ that plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. When we encounter stressors, our brain's amygdala, the area responsible for processing emotions, gets activated. This triggers the release of stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which prepare our body for a fight-or-flight response. However, chronic activation of the amygdala has been linked to various mental health issues such as anxiety and depression. That's where mindfulness comes in. By practicing mindfulness, we can activate other areas of the brain, such as the prefrontal cortex, which is associated with calmness and self-awareness. Neuroimaging studies have shown that regular mindfulness practice can lead to structural changes in the brain, specifically in areas related to attention and emotional regulation. Recent studies have highlighted the numerous benefits of mindfulness for men's mental and physical health. One study published in the Journal of Affective Disorders found that mindfulness-based stress reduction programs can help men experiencing stress and anxiety related to work and family responsibilities. Another study in the Journal of Clinical Psychiatry showed that mindfulness-based cognitive therapy can reduce the symptoms of depression in men with a history of depression. It's important to address the common misconception that mindfulness is a feminine practice. This stereotype may discourage men from embracing mindfulness and prevent them from reaping its benefits. However, mindfulness is a universal practice that can be beneficial for anyone regardless of gender. In fact, there is growing evidence that mindfulness can help men develop emotional resilience, improve self-awareness, and reduce the risk of mental health issues. So men, don't let stereotypes hold you back from exploring the potential of mindfulness. Embrace this practice and discover how it can positively impact your life. Now that we have established the importance and benefits of mindfulness, let's explore how you can incorporate it into your daily life. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaping the full benefits of mindfulness. Incorporating mindfulness into daily life in the realm of mindfulness, consistency is key. It's essential to establish a routine that suits your lifestyle and commit to practicing mindfulness regularly. Start by setting aside dedicated time each day to engage in mindfulness exercises. This could be in the morning to set a positive tone for the day, or in the evening to unwind and reflect on your experiences. One effective way to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine is to create a mindfulness routine. This can include practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or body scan meditations. Dedicate a quiet space in your home where you can comfortably practice mindfulness. Minimize distractions by turning off your phone and any other potential interruptions. Set a timer to ensure you have enough time to fully immerse yourself in the practice. During your mindfulness routine, focus on cultivating a sense of presence and awareness. Pay attention to your breath, noticing the sensations of each inhale and exhale. Observe your body, acknowledging any sensations or discomfort without judgment. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to the present moment. Another way to integrate mindfulness into your daily life is to incorporate it into your work routine. Many jobs today demand constant focus and productivity, which can lead to stress and burnout. However, by practicing mindfulness at work, you can enhance your ability to concentrate and perform at your best. Start by setting intentions for your workday. Take a few moments at the beginning of the day to reflect on your goals and priorities. This will help you stay focused and prevent you from feeling overwhelmed. Throughout the day, practice mindful breaks. Step away from your desk for a few minutes and engage in activities that bring you to the present moment. This could involve taking a walk in nature, listening to calming music, or practicing deep breathing exercises. Additionally, consider implementing mindfulness practices into your relationships. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy for communication to break down and relationships to suffer. By practicing mindfulness in your relationships, you can foster deeper connections and understanding. When interacting with others, practice active listening. Pay full attention to the person you're speaking with, acknowledging their thoughts and feelings. Respond with empathy and understanding, and avoid interrupting or planning your next words while they are speaking. In doing so, you will create a safe space for open communication and strengthen your bonds with others, creating a supportive environment. While incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine is crucial, creating a supportive environment can significantly enhance your mindfulness journey. Here are some tips to create a conducive atmosphere for your mindfulness practice. Communicate your needs. Openly communicate your need for mindfulness and quiet time with your family, friends, and colleagues. Let them know that you value your mindfulness routine and request their support in creating a peaceful environment. Set boundaries. Establish clear boundaries between your mindfulness space and other areas of your life. This may mean designating specific times of the day as quiet hours, or asking family members to respect your need for solitude during certain periods. Seek professional help. Do not hesitate to seek professional help. If you're struggling to incorporate mindfulness into your life, or if you face significant challenges in creating a supportive environment, therapists or mindfulness coaches can provide guidance and support tailored to your specific needs. Remember, creating a supportive environment is an ongoing process that requires patience and persistence. It may take time to adjust, but the benefits of a peaceful and mindful environment are well worth the effort. As you continue on your mindfulness journey, it's essential to recognize the importance of community. Connecting with others who share similar interests and goals can provide valuable support and motivation. Here are some ways to find your mindfulness tribe and build a strong support system. Join mindfulness groups. Look for mindfulness groups or classes in your local community or online. These groups offer a space to connect with like-minded individuals, share experiences, and learn from one another. Engage in mindful activities. Participate in mindful activities such as yoga, tai chi, or nature walks. These activities not only promote mindfulness, but also provide opportunities to meet new people who value similar practices. Connect with online communities. Join online communities or forums dedicated to mindfulness and meditation. These platforms allow you to connect with individuals from around the world, exchange ideas, and find support. Remember, building a mindfulness community takes time and effort. Be patient and persistent in your search, and don't hesitate to reach out to others. Nurture these connections and create a supportive network that will enrich your mindfulness journey. The benefits of a mindful life by now. You've learned about the numerous benefits of mindfulness and how it can positively impact your life. It's time to embrace mindfulness and experience these advantages firsthand. Reflect on your experiences. Kindly share your thoughts on how mindfulness has impacted your life. I invite you to reflect on any positive changes or insights you gained through mindfulness practice. Share your journey, the mindfulness journey, with others, whether through personal stories or recommendations. By spreading awareness about mindfulness, you will inspire others to explore this practice. Try mindfulness and report back with the experiences. Embrace mindfulness and witness its transformative power. My friends and family, prioritize your mental well-being. It's a step towards a more fulfilling and balanced life.